Alright, so welcome back. So we're going back inside of Canva app to do the glossy sticker format, right? So you can just start with a new page. This is just a design I was currently working on to create another keyring. Now this is mine that I did with my design, and my logo is on the other section. So this is what we're going to be doing. No, I'm just showing you guys the whole concept of how the keyring would look. So now we're going to be starting off on a blank page. So I'm going to be duplicating the page at the top. That's the duplicate button, just so that I can duplicate it. So I'm going to duplicate it. Alright, so now that I have duplicated it, I went ahead and I pulled an image inside of the frame. How to find the frame? Go into element and you type in frame, and then it will come up onto the page. No, so you're just going to be pulling the image inside of that circle frame. So once you do that, you're going to do the measurement, because the key ring is 2 by 2. So you're going to be duplicating it. So one sheet can roughly hold up to maybe 9 keyring stickers design. So because we're not using our Cricut, but we're going to be using our inkjet printer and a pair of scissors. So you need to ensure that you can hold quite the amount of I would say designs onto the page. I want to utilize up the space. So we're going to be going an inch, half inch away, pull across and duplicating it. So when you duplicate it, you will know how many designs they can hold on the sheet or per sheet. So like I said, roughly 9. Once that is through, now I'm going to be downloading all of this. So how to download that, Empress? Not a problem. We're going to be coming over to the right hand section where we have share, select download. You don't have to remove the background at all. I am using the first page because I have multiple design on this page. I'm going to be then selecting download. You don't have to put on a background remover. It's not needed at all, because you're not going to be uploading this to Cricut. Now we save the design as anything that you want to save it as, or anything I want to save it as, anything at all. Now that is through, we are then going to open the file onto our desktop or download section, select print, because now we're going to be printing the sticker, right? My print icon is on the left hand section, my right hand section of the screen. I'm going to be selecting print. Now every print features will be different because I'm using an EcoTank, so mine will be a little bit different. Of course, we have to go on to properties. Properties will allow you to get the highest quality definition. We're going to be using glossy photo paper, or you can use glossy premium photo paper semi-glossy. I just use photo paper glossy. You have to put it on high or best. Once I've finished selecting those, I'm going to be selecting OK, and then it is ready to print through the printer, and this is it. Now I'm going to be printing my sticker paper. Alright, so now that has been through and we have printed the paper, I'm going to be checking on the paper. Now this is it. So I will be using my pair of scissors to cut out the design how I want it to be. So you can start by cutting off the first row, which will give you like a much more easier way. Sorry that you aren't able to see that angle pretty well. My apologies. So now I'll be going in with my pair of scissors and I will be trimming around the edges of my paper. So now, because you're using the scissors, do not rush this process. Take your time to cut as close to the margin of the paper that you possibly can. Now this is me after finish cutting around the circle of my sticker. And remember, the sticker comes with a backing sheet as well. This here is the laminating sheet. You're going to be lining up the picture with, or the sticker with, the laminating sheet so that I can cut off that small amount of portion onto it. So that way you don't cut off too much paper and you don't waste a laminating sheet, because these are really awesome. The sticker paper is also waterproof, but the laminating sheet is also great for it so that your customer gets a longer lasting time with it. Now I fold my backing paper and I just pull it over onto it. You can do this method using a squeegee or a finger to ensure that you don't have any bubbles. You can use a squeegee if you don't have one. You can also use a credit card. Now I will be going in with my scissors to just cut around the edges as you see me doing there. Just know, now I need to pull off the backing of it. So you can use a tweezer or something to pull off the backing. Fold it. Once you have folded, then you're going to be placing it onto the keyring. Alright, so that is how I was able to get my stickers onto my keyring. Then after that, you can go in with the pair of scissors and just to trim off any other unnecessary. So in the middle piece here, there's the bubble, but ensure that you don't have any bubble. Just use a credit card to laminate it over the sticker, and we're through.